What's up, Photo Booth family? Big announcement for all my lumabooth photo booth users. You now have the option to do custom AI prompts and a couple other things, which we'll talk about. But this is huge. So if you've been waiting to be able to really hone in and dictate the AI experience, you can now do it. So I'm screen recording and I'm going to show you guys how I use chatgpt to make my custom prompts and how I'm going to implement that into lumabooth. And again, there's probably other ways to do this. This is just the way that I've taught myself how to do it. So I'm screen recording here on my computer, and this is chatgpt. All I've done is take a reference photo, which, by the way, funny story, this was taken probably 10 years ago, and it required me to use a DSLR, studio lighting, and it took about 30 to maybe 45 minutes to achieve this. But now with AI, with a iPad, with lumabooth, I can recreate this and get a similar result here. So what I've done, and again, you can apply this to anything that you want to achieve yourself by getting the type of image you want to get, and then basically coming into chatgpt, you type, please give me an AI prompt to give my photo booth software to create this image, and obviously I attach the image, and then boom, this is the prompt. I'm not going to sit here and read this to you guys and tell you exactly, but I'm going to go ahead and leave in the description of the YouTube video. If you're watching this on TikTok, go to YouTube, right? Hustle with Drew on YouTube. It's in the description, and I'm going to show you a few other prompts that I've made. But yeah, you get the prompt here, boom, right? Make sure you copy it. Then you go to the dashboard for lumabooth. It's dash.lumabooth.com, right? You go to the event you want to go to. So let's just assume this is it. I'm going to go over here, right to the side where you see it says AI portraits. Then, boom, once you're here, you're able to go to custom prompt. You go to write your own prompt, and you can actually just drop that prompt in here. And I'm going to just go back to here, and I'm going to show you guys how that looks like here, right? So, boom, let's just assume we're here at the custom prompt section. I paste what I want to achieve, right? And you're going to notice here it says at booth photo. This is actually needed so that the software knows that we're using the photo coming from the photo booth. Very important. It won't let you, I don't think it'll let you do it without it. You go to generate. I'll do it again. That just cost me a credit. I love you guys, but you owe me 17 cents. All right. You owe me more than that, but it's okay. So it does take some time to process it, which you see over here. And what I love about this is it gives you a preview. So if you want to like make the prompt and then kind of send it to your client, you can do that here. Like you can click on it and then save it, or you can just do a test photo to make sure it works and then send them that. Or you can even take the photo, a test photo of like myself or the people, and then upload it into here, and then it'll act as if it was a photo booth experience. So once you generate it, you go to update prompt. And I have some other prompts here too, which I'll show you. But let's really quick, let's screen record here. I'm going to run a session here so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, that was an audio sync, by the way. That's how I sync this stuff. So you click where it says photo, and you're going to basically select the prompt that you want. Let's just try this one out.
Get ready.
All right. And again, this is an iPhone, but the process would be the same thing on an iPad. This is just easier for video demonstration. I mean, I think AI is going to close the gap between a DSLR and an iPad. That's just my own opinion. I truly don't even think you need a DSLR to achieve this. So it does take time to generate, by the way, right? Because it needs to send it up, and you need an internet connection, you guys, to make this happen. I wish it was just instant, which I don't think
Good.
is like not possible, but look, how sick is that? I love it. So perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next thing we're going to do is I just want to show you maybe some other prompts that you may be interested in doing, right? I had a request in one of the lumabooth chats online, and someone was asking for this one here. Okay. So this is like a chola 90s, you know, you go to the mall studio photo. And I'll go back to ChatGPT to just show you what I asked. Let me go ahead and pull this up. So boom, look, I got a reference photo. I put it here and I put, give me a custom AI prompt. I can enter into lumabooth to get 90s mall chola picture similar to the one photo attached. And boom, it spit this out. It wasn't perfect. I had to come in and change it. Like it acted a little bit weird, but I'll go ahead and again, in YouTube, I'll link in the description the final prompt that I put in here, right? All of this to achieve. Let me just show you the photo. I don't need to go do this again. I can show you some of the photos that I did. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right, let me show you guys some of these photos. Okay, so look, using the prompt, this was the photo that I took, and this is what it generated, right? And this would be really cool too with like a group, like a couple. Let me exit out of here. And initially when I did it, my camera died. My camera died, so we're using this. I'm not gonna redo this, guys. But look, it did this photo, so I had to come in and change it. But once I made the change, I was able to get this photo here, which I think is pretty damn good. But I wanted to add something, and I wanted to add, that's a different one. I wanted to add a teardrop. So I changed it in tattoos. So I was able to achieve that to get like the more of the vibe. If you're in SoCal, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You experience this if you live in Southern California. I was even able to do like a LeBron James type of photo like this. I feel like these types of photos work better when you have them posed as if they're already dunking. And if you're wanting to see like the prompt here, and again, I'll leave this in the YouTube description. Let me see. Look, check this out. I put this in here. I put, I am using lumabooth AI prompt feature, and I want to recreate this photo, and I need your help giving the prompt. Please make sure the jersey stays the same so that the guests feel like LeBron in this Cleveland 23 jersey. Boom. Look, it gave me the prompt, and then it even adds a little bit more if you want to. So if we go back here, let's go back to the preview. And at first, when I entered that, it wasn't like perfect, but you see what I'm saying? Like it just took it and it made me smile. So I wasn't really happy with that. So I was like, well, how can I automatically make this look better? And it was by acting like I'm dunking so that when it does it like that. Pretty sick, right? Pretty damn sick. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching this video. It is what it is. Camera died. We can live with that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Uncle Drew signing out. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye.